Give us a sense of what are your customers saying to you about their deposits? Are they moving deposits? Are they asking you questions? What are the questions?
Well, Old National Bank's been in business for 188 years, and our clients have been with us a very long period of time. And I would like to say we have Midwestern sensibilities. And so our clients are obviously concerned what's going on in the marketplace, but they know that the bank is very strong, and we've had long, deep relationships. So we're having lots of conversations with clients about the strength and stability, obviously, of regional banks in general, but Old National specifically, and they're very comfortable. And I would say operations are very much business as usual across the Midwest, and especially here at Old National. Very strong bank and deep relationships with our clients.
All right, so we got a graphic we want to show the audience right now. I want to ask you about uninsured deposits and also unrealized losses. So when we look at Silicon Valley Bank, they had a very high level of uninsured deposits. And also, they took some big losses on their Treasury investments. Right now, we're showing the audience the wall on TV and radio. Silicon Valley Bank had about 94% of their deposits that were uninsured. Also took a look at your balance sheet, and you and I talked a little bit about this. On your balance sheet right now, you have about $5 million in unrealized losses on Treasuries. So first, can you give us a sense of what percentage of your deposits are uninsured? And then how do you resolve these losses on Treasuries? We saw what it did to Silicon Valley Bank, but of course, you have a very different business.
Yeah, our deposit base is very granular. About half our deposits come from individuals, and the rest come from commercial businesses. And those business models, like you've seen out of Silicon Valley, are very different, right? A very high concentration of commercial clients with big relationships, and ours are very granular with individuals and small business that make that up. And so for us, it's a little bit different. In terms of investments, all banks invest, all individuals and banks and corporations have bought fixed rate investments over the years. And as interest rates have risen, the value of those investments have come down. But banks are really good typically at managing the trade-offs between having long-term investments and then also being able to generate near-term liquidity. I think the Fed program that came out on Sunday was a real boost to confidence that in case we need to go up and pledge these assets to generate liquidity for our depositors, we're going to be there. The Fed's going to be there with us. Okay. And so I think banks are overall in very good shape and pleased with the programs that have announced to date.
All right, I don't want to put you too on the spot. Do you have a rough number for your uninsured deposits? Is that a big thing for Old National Bank?
It's not a big thing. It's roughly a third. So by any comparison, we would show up very well relative to the industry.
Okay. So I'm not that well versed in the banking industry, but I think all of us have gotten a quick crash course in banking. So the vast majority of your revenue comes from net interest income. That's basically people deposit with you, you loan out those deposits, you make money, there's a spread there. So this crisis, a lot of people are saying all the money is going to go to the big banks. What would that mean for your business? And you have a chance to talk to a lot of people out here that bank with regional banks or people that are thinking about it. What would you say about the need for your bank and the services you provide? I know generally regional banks, they're the biggest lenders in the areas that they're in.
That's a great point. I think there is a risk that the big banks get bigger. And as we talked about, they play an important need for the U.S. economy, but so do mid-sized banks and community banks. Ultimately, we serve different markets, different communities, and I think it's important that we have a very diverse and robust set of banks. And so I think it would be a long-term shame if the big banks just keep getting bigger, and it really takes away from our ability to serve, smaller markets and rural markets. It's important to have banks of all sizes to serve all of our clients in the United States.